All right, friends and neighbors, we are back now with another episode of the Packet of the Week. Thanks for stopping by. This is Bruce Hartpence, and we are talking through number 22. So as just a reminder, this was Packet of the Week number 22, and the assignment was, of course, to decode it in its entirety. So without further ado, here is the answer to the Packet of the Week number 22. All right, when decoding a packet, there's always a couple of things that you want to take a look at. You know that we start with MAC addresses, and this is because programs like Wireshark, OmniPeek, TCP dump, all of them start after the NIC is done processing. So we begin packets like this with a MAC address. And if you get through the first couple of MAC addresses, so 12 bytes in total, that first red circle there, the 0800, that is the type or code field in Ethernet frame. 0800 means that an IP packet is encapsulated. And so, if you properly decoded the Ethernet header, then you should have headed right into an IP version 4 header. The second circle here, around the 06, that indicates that the IP packet is carrying a TCP packet. So this is 06 in hexadecimal. All right. Now, the red arrow here indicates the port number that TCP is using, or the destination port. And so this is our indicator of what's next. So far we've had a field that indicates what's next, and now we have a port number. And that 07D0, if you decode that, that is port number 2000, and that is your first hint to what we have going on here, which is a skinny packet, or the Skinny Client Control Protocol from Cisco. Now, skinny messages are pretty simple as far as their header format goes, and our big one that we need to keep track of first is the message ID, so that comes up first, and this means that this one is a connection statistics request. So that was your first indicator or first field that you had to sort of get from this particular packet. Now the next thing here that I've sort of put in the block there, the rectangle, that is the directory number. So that was the phone number that I was dialing when I set this up. This field is actually much larger because sometimes we deal with numbers that are greater than 7 digits. And this is followed by the call ID. And then last up, you have the 4 bytes of the field that indicate what kind of connection statistics request this is. And in this particular case, we're dealing with a clear stats message. So it was a connection statistics request for 4755001, and we had a call ID there that is in hex 18. Then the last 4 bytes were the code or type of connection statistics request that we had, and this one happens to be a request to clear the statistics. Well, there you have it. I hope you nailed it. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for listening. You can always cruise on through brucehartpence.com and take a look through the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening, and may your packets always reach their destinations.